Hey there, you can now select multiple tabs and move, pin, or close them with a single action. Let's find out. When a tab is selected, its title turns white. Now let's go ahead and select multiple tabs by using Ctrl and click. Now that they're selected, we can apply actions to them at once. So let's move them to the right hand side of the screen. If you want to save some clicks, you can also select a range of tabs by using Shift and click. On the left hand side of the screen, there are two rows of tabs. If I use Shift click on the first row, only the tabs from that row will be selected. As you can see, the welcome.tsx tab is not selected. Now let's go ahead and pin them all at once. Right-click on the tab and then select Pin. And lastly, we can close all the selected tabs at once. Alright, that was it. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out my VS Code playlist for more tutorials. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.